Hey everybody, it's Jill. Here's a short onboarding PowerPoint about Scientia, the life science industry, just giving a general overview and what the internship entails. So, life science companies create drugs and therapeutics to prevent, detect, manage, or cure diseases. Traditional drug development can take up to 10 years and cost $3 billion, starting with lab studies. Then, once you have a proof of concept, you go into humans for phase one, and then you can move on to phase two that expands the safety profile. And then this is really where in phase two, a lot of drugs fail. But if they do pass, they go into phase three, which can take several years. And that's really doing a larger cohort, just ensuring efficacy and safety before having it FDA approved and into the market. So AI is revolutionizing drug development, accelerating the creation of more therapies and personalized treatment at unprecedented speed. So the integration of AI across life sciences reshaping both research and commercial domains. So in R&D, AI is accelerating the discovery and development of novel therapeutics, enabling precision medicine and more efficient clinical workflows. In commercialization, that's like marketing and sales, AI is transforming how treatments are brought to the market, enhancing patient engagement, optimizing market access strategies, and enabling data-driven decision-making. So professionals who can bridge the gap between science, technology, and business are well positioned to lead in this next wave of healthcare innovation. So some future in-demand roles in life science R&D are critical to enhancing data interpretation, improving trial design, and reducing time to clinical validation. So I won't go through all of these roles, but feel free to just stop the video. Same thing for life science commercial. These roles help ensure innovative therapies reach the right patients with speed, precision, and measurable impact. At Scientia, we focus on commercialization, specifically digital and content marketing. Our services include digital marketing, content marketing, digital marketing training, and website optimization. And a lot of times with the internship program, I'm really hoping that, to use this information to help improve my digital marketing training, which isn't a paid service, not yet, anyways, but I just include that as far as my digital marketing services where we're able to upskill the internal team. So we work with top life science brands, including J&J, Abbott, Moderna, and Kite. I'm sure you've heard of at least three of those. So with the intern project, as discussed in the emails and during our call, we'll start with AI tool research and testing. So evaluating ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, and Grok, and comparing the outputs for accuracy, compliance, and usability in life science marketing. Then in the second part, we'll do agent building. So we'll help build an AI agent both for internal use and for personal application. And then finally, knowledge sharing. This part is really important. I think, to be able to communicate effectively with your boss. So in this case, that would be me, with your peers. So when we have group meetings, and then also just in your community, just friends, family, peers, partners, just to communicate succinctly and quickly what these AI tools are good for, how you can use them, and to say it with confidence. So I'll be adding you to Scientia Slack, and there's an AI tool channel. And in that channel, in the bookmark section, you'll see an intern project tracker. This is where all the projects will be, all your tasks will be listed, and we'll have a status, complete, in process, and hold, and then your name as the owner, and then the due date. Now, if we have the due date there and you can't finish the task by that due date, it's totally fine. Just it's preferable if you kind of come to the meeting and we just talk about what you did. And then we just think, okay, well, this will probably take us another 2 weeks to finish or one more week to finish. We're partnerships in this, and it's really just as long as you're trying to do the best you can, I'm satisfied. I'll also include you on the intern Google Drive. You're welcome to go through any of these files. They're open and available feel free. There's a final project docs folder where you could see all the previous intern work, although those are all on the website as well. So we'll start with this mid-journey test. That's an image developer. It does cost $10. So please let me know your Venmo. I can send you that Venmo and follow the protocol. If you get stuck and you can't do it, don't worry about it. We'll just jump on the call and we'll discuss it. If you do go through it, but you're finding a lot of problems, please, by all means, write a comment in the Google Doc and say where it's inaccurate. These things are being upgraded all the time. So there's a very good chance it's out of date, even though we looked at it in November of 2025. Then we'll do our AI tool under the hood analysis. We'll go through this in detail, just sharing. And then the evaluation of each of the tools for content creation. And then cumulatively, all your learnings we'll put into a blog. And then we'll create an AI agent. We've been using Lovable and Replit. These are free to use and very easy, no code. So that should be fun. If we have enough people, maybe we'll buddy up and do some things together. But this is a little bit more of the workshop section part where it's kind of open, creative. You can take it where you want. So for the schedule, week one, onboarding, introduction to AI tools, you're going to start that mid-journey. Feel free to go through the um, Google Drive and take a look at Sciencia's website, look at some more of the case studies in more detail. I do have a YouTube channel. I just started posting videos there. So maybe you want to take a look at some of those just to get a better idea of some of our services. And then by midway, week 5, we want to complete the article development, and then we'll move into AI agent development. So for next steps, I'm going to add you to Slack and Google Drive. Please schedule a 30-minute one-on-one for this week or next, whatever. I know you guys have um, finals and whatnot, so just let me know when you can um, start, and then start practicing on the Mid-Journey protocol. So that's it. Feel free to email me or call or send a text. Admittedly, Slack is probably the best way to contact me because I get a lot of emails and texts, but there's only a select people who are in my Slack, so I'm always paying attention to that and responding. So I'm really looking forward to this semester. I know we're going to have a great time. As mentioned, I just ask everyone is just really communicative and trying to do the best you can. I know school comes first. Well, maybe family comes first, and then school, and then internship. So I understand, things kind of come up, but please just try to do the best you can, stay engaged. It really is like anything else. It's what you put into it is what you get out of it. But I know you guys are going to do a great job. We're going to have lots of fun. So looking forward to it and talk to you soon.